Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I feel like it's kind of a depressing video, but like it's gonna get better, you know what I mean? So today's video is taking down my vision board, my 2020 vision board. I've had this all year and you guys have probably seen this all throughout my videos. Like it's the background and I absolutely love it, and I'm really excited to put up my 2021 vision board, which will be the next video. So it's like a two-part video because I want to really go through everything and show you if I accomplished all the goals and to see how I actually accomplished those goals and what I did and how if you hear banging, I'm doing like home renovations. I never remember that word. Renovations. So if you hear banging, I will like try to edit as much as I can out or pause or something like that so that you guys don't hear like bang bang bang. But anyways, so this is a two-part video, as I was trying to say before the bang bang banging. This is a two-part video, so I'm taking down my vision board as one and putting up my vision board as another. So this is part one, so stay tuned for next Sunday's video. If you guys didn't know, I'm also doing Vlogmas, so I'm vlogging every single day of Christmas time, every single day of December, not every single day, every day until Christmas for December, and I'm really excited. I haven't been doing this for whatever day. I'm filming this on the 10th, but you guys will see this on the 13th. So yeah, I'm doing Vlogmas, so yes. Let's just take down this vision board. I'm very depressed because I loved this vision board. Like, you guys don't even know, but I feel like this year, 2021, the upcoming year, is going to be so much better than it was. You guys, you know, it's going to be so much better. So let's just get into it, take it down, all this stuff. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is I think I'm going to take down all the washi tape. We're going to do a time lapse of me just taking down washi tape. And then we're going to go through all the goals. No. Should we go through the goals first? I don't know. We'll go through this. I didn't really plan it because I just wanted it to be a super chill, fun video where I just show you guys everything that I did this year. So we're going to take off all the washi tape and then maybe we'll take off the pictures. No. We'll take down the washi tape, then we'll talk about all the goals that I have, and then we'll take down the photos last. The one thing that I'm not taking off, I hot glued this to my whiteboard. I can and I will. God keeps his promises, and this little thing God loves, and promise that he will be with you always. Trust him. So yeah, that's the three things that I'm keeping, but the rest is going away. So let's just start off with the washi tape, and we're just gonna take it all off. I'm so sad, you guys. I don't think you guys even know, but I'm excited for my 2021. So I have like my 2021 vision board. I guess it's like mixed emotions. Like, comment down below if you guys had a vision board, or if you do, how you would feel taking it down and then like putting a new one up. I feel like it's just sad because this is like the background of my videos and it's just so cute. So let's just take it down, you know? Take it down. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to cut into the video saying that I actually lost the footage of me taking down washi tape. Don't worry, it was just a time lapse, so as long as you guys are going to miss anything, but I don't really think you guys can tell a difference on my vision board. So, yeah, I kind of lost the footage, so that I'll try to figure out what the problem was because I really don't know how I lost the footage. But let's just continue on with the video. The next clip is me talking to you guys about all of the goals that I'm doing for this year, and then after that we like have another time lapse of me removing all the pictures. So enjoy. Sorry I lost the washi tape clip. I'm just constantly changing the lighting. I don't know which one's best for you guys. I really want to get like a standing one like on the sides so that it like goes like down, you know, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get it for Christmas, and if I do, I'll be very happy. Anyway, so I took off the washi tape, I think, but we'll probably see some later. The next thing that I said I was gonna do was go through all of my goals, and I think I'm gonna go with like the smaller strips and then go to the bigger strips. Okay, this is gonna be the biggest section of the day. Okay, first thing that I see is read more. Let's just take this off. Hopefully I don't like rip it and it sticks. I'm definitely gonna have to like wash it. So this says I need to read more this year. Can you see that? Read more. Honestly, I have been reading a lot more. If you guys didn't know, I'm not a huge reader. Like, I don't know, it just takes me a while to find a book that I really, really love. And right now I'm reading Impulse by Ellen Hopkins, and that book is so old. Like, if you like the day that it was, like the year it was published was 2008, and it's 2020, you guys. So I really don't know, but I am reading more. I'm finding books that I like, and I don't know. The next thing that I see is God, so I'm guessing like incorporate more godly things and praying. And I definitely think I did that this year because obviously I was just at home the whole time. So I feel like I just had like, this was like the year of me like finding myself. I'm so nervous about ripping this off. Like, it's just gonna have like this, I'm gonna have to like get water or something or alcohol and just wipe it off because it's like stuck. We'll scrape it off later. And then I obviously see pray, which I think I personally have prayed a lot more. I think for next year, what I'm gonna do is I'm literally just going to, what did I say? Oh, for this next year, upcoming year, like board, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like put like the minimal amount of glue like at the edges, and then hopefully that will help take it off next year. Okay, next thing that I see that is like smaller is exercise. You guys don't even know, I have exercised so much this year. I'm so proud of myself, and it's been a hassle, but like I'm very happy that I exercised more this year. So let me separate these. Next thing is 4-point GPA, another goal that I accomplished. Am I excited that I accomplished this? Yes, I still have a 4-point GPA, and I'm very happy about that. Okay, again, home renovations. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have completed a 4-point GPA. God, pray. We're off to a good start, you guys. We're off to a good start. Next up, new skills. New skills. Like, learn new skills. I'm gonna put this in the no pile. I feel like I personally think that I just did not learn anything new this year. Like, new skills. Like, oh wait, I did knit a blanket, but that's the only thing. And I said skills, not skill. But I'm just gonna put this in the no, because since I personally don't know, I'm gonna say that I just know. Next up, the next one is mindful eating, you guys. I think I've actually improved on mindful eating. Like, not the whole year, because obviously who's gonna have mindful eating the whole year? You know what I mean? Okay, so I took a little bit of an intermission because they were pounding a lot and they just finished everything for the day. So back to it. Mindful eating. I think I did a pretty good job. Like, I improved on my mindfulness eating. I did lose a lot of weight, not as much as I wanted, of course, because there were some months that I was very discouraged and just didn't want to do anything, you know? But we all have those days, and we're all gonna continue losing some weight, and we're gonna talk about how much, you know? Okay, let's continue. So, what's the next one that's like a little bit smaller? Stress less. Look, these, I just didn't even put that much. Stress less. I think, personally, I stressed a little bit because of the whole pandemic thing in the beginning, and then I started realizing instead of stressing, let's just be here together and get through this together. So I think eventually I kind of just realized that there's no reason to stress. I think I was stressed for like 2 weeks when everything was just closing down, but I think now I'm just learning to live with the fact that not everything's not the same. So I think that I actually did it, so we're gonna put it in the yes pile. Smile more. This one's just naturally coming off. You guys, I definitely smiled more. I had braces, if you guys didn't know, and I loved my braces. So I definitely smiled a lot. And then I got my braces. Oh my gosh, you guys, like, turned around. I almost tripped. I just, like, what is the word I'm looking for? I got my braces off. If you guys didn't know, I did a whole vlog on that. I got them off. And I am smiling a lot more than I used to. And I smiled a lot with braces, you guys, like, you know? So yes, I think that I did a good job smiling more. Even though we had masks, I feel like I was naturally just happy. Even though I was worried, I was trying to be happy, you know? Let's go to the next one. Passionate. But what I mean by this, I remember this so perfectly. Passion is one of my favorite words. I think it's probably my favorite word ever. So I chose passionate to put on my thing because I wanted to do things that I was passionate about. So I definitely think that I did that. I mean, this year I started my YouTube channel. Can you believe that? It's crazy. And I'm really, really passionate about it. Like, I love doing YouTube videos. I didn't think I was going to be so passionate about it when I started. I thought I was eventually going to quit, but I'm glad I started. And then there was other things that I just realized during this year, and I think that that was one thing that, you know, I improved on. Another one that I want to like take off is try your best. I personally think that I tried my best all year, and it's just part of the culture, trying my best. Another one that goes in the yes pile, I think I did try my best. Another one, good hygiene. What I mean by this is there's a lot of times where like I wasn't doing any self-care. Like, I was just doing the bare minimum. I think my skincare routine, number one, like, went flying high. Like, it's the best skincare routine ever. I still have acne, obviously, but it is going away slowly but surely, you know what I mean? I feel like I have good hygiene now. I'm taking more showers. Like, I'm admitting that after sports and stuff, I need to take a shower. I mean, I used to take a shower after sports, but now I'm, like, taking two showers a day no matter what. So, good hygiene is a check. Man, we're on a roll this year, you guys. This year, I accomplished a lot of goals. Volleyball tryouts. I think what I wanted to do with this is try my best in volleyball tryouts. And I think that I personally did, and I did not make it, but it's fine. You know, I don't think I'm going to try it next year because I want to do more things. But I definitely tried my absolute hardest in tryouts, and if they didn't want me, they didn't want me. Next thing, we are going down to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay, put yourself out there. This one, because of the pandemic, I personally feel like I did not portray this goal, putting myself out there. I think also now I stayed with my same clan of friends. I mean, there are like new kids this year, but like I think personally this year I stayed with my same clan. I did not find, well, there are some new friends, like, you know what I mean, like, but they were just like new kids. So I think I didn't really put myself out there other than like volleyball. Like, I really put myself out there in volleyball, but that's it. So I don't think I'm gonna put that in the yes pile just because it wasn't like the whole year I was like putting myself out there, because I'm a very shy person and it doesn't seem like it, but I am a shy person. The next one, I'm just gonna go from the bottom now. Save $10 each month. This one I completely failed on. There was always something that I wanted to buy. There was always something. Like, I saved, and then I put money in my bank account. Like, I did save, but I did not save $10 a month. Like, you know what I mean? So there was always something that I wanted to buy, whether it be for my YouTube channel, whether it be for this. There was always something that I wanted to buy. So this is gonna go in the no. Buy what you need. I personally think, I actually portrayed. I think maybe I probably shouldn't have put need, but more as want, because like, you don't need makeup, but you want makeup type of thing. So I think I'm gonna put this in I bought things that I actually would use in a daily life. Whereas the past years, I would just buy random stuff and then eventually stopped using them. So I think this is going in the yes pile. And the next one is admit your mistakes. I actually admitted more mistakes this year than I ever have in my lifetime. Can you believe that? I'm joking, not in my lifetime, but admitting my mistakes is something that I think I really did improve on, and I am very passionate about improving more. The last two, you guys, is drinking more water and eating healthier. Now, I think there was a time where I drank water nonstop, and then there was a time where I don't drink water. But I think I am eating healthier. I'm eating less snacks, things like that. I did do a whole vlog on what I eat in a day, and I think I improved a lot on things, and we're still improving, like always. So I think I'm gonna put this in the yes pile, because I think I need to drink more water, because there was a time where it was like nonstop water, nonstop like natural juices or whatever, and then there was a time where it's like zero water, like it was just like juice here and there, and that was it. So I think I'm gonna I put it in the yes pile, because I think that I was healthier this year and did lose weight. And this comes to the last one, you guys. The last one is lose 50 pounds by the end of this year. So lose 5 pounds each month. Did I do that? No. Did I lose weight? Yes. So I'm going to put this in the no pile, but I did lose weight. And here is why. I did track this year and I did lose weight doing track, obviously, because it's a lot of running. But a lot of training, a lot of everything. I'm going to put it in the no pile. Because personally, you guys, oh my gosh, it looks so bare already. Personally, you guys, there were months where I was unmotivated, but in quarantine, I lost more weight than I gained. Like, I think I lost 20 to 30 pounds in just quarantine. So I'm very proud of myself for that. Obviously, I want to continue losing weight, and that is going to be a goal for next year, right? Oh my goodness, you guys, that is all of the goals that I had. Let me like move you guys down to my piles. So in the middle, I have my washi tape and then my yes pile, my no pile. You can tell the drastic difference between the yes and the no. I'm very proud of myself, and I am proud to say that this year was a good year, you guys. And I did a lot of my goals. Can you believe that? So the last part of taking down my vision board is taking down the pictures and taking down all the art, other than the 3 things that I pointed out in the beginning of the video. Comment down below if you did good this year, or if it, and like, I'm not talking if it was a bad year in general. I'm talking about your goals, your resolutions only, because I know this year was not the best year, to put it in a good way, but we still have to focus on self-improvement and things like that. So I want to know down below if you think that you improved, if you got worse because of this whole pandemic, if you think that you accomplished a lot of your goals. What happened this year? Did you like it? Did you not like it? What can you improve on for 2021? So do that. Comment that down below while I do a time lapse of me removing all of these pictures. Okay guys, so you're coming at a different angle. It took me so long to remove everything. Look how many like Clorox wipes I put. So most of it was like the paper came off really easy. It was just more of like the glue. Again, this is a 2-part video, so this is just taking down my vision board and talking about all my goals. Overall, I think personally I improved a lot this year. I'm not gonna say that it was a good year, because then I know the comment section will be like, they'll just be like, no, it was not a good year, did you know? But I'm saying, like, overall, if you think about yourself personally, was it a good year for you? Like, not about the world and things that you couldn't do, but like, did you improve? That's what I want to know in the comments. I've said that like multiple times in this vlog, but not vlog, in this video, but anyways, this is how the final like product looks. It looks very plain, and I used to have it like this, like just plain, until I put my vision board on. I used to write every once in a while, but like, I don't know, I just feel like I need the vision board on there. So yes, I want to remind you guys that I want to change this normal is boring thing on that says normal is boring, and I want to change it, but I guess I'll probably change it at the beginning of the year. So in the next video, I want you guys to comment what you want me to change that to, because obviously it's a new year, so I want something new. Thank you guys so much for watching this Sunday's video. Like I said before, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a happy holidays, and that you are able to do a little bit. I hope you guys are staying safe. That's another thing. Try to stay safe and have a good holidays. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit the bell so you can be part of the #Angels notification team. Once you do that, you guys will instantly not miss another one of my videos. But you guys will also be part of the #Angels notification team. Like, I want to clarify this. Once you hit the subscribe button, you're part of the Angels team. Once you hit the bell and you comment down #Angels notification team, you're instantly part of the #Angels notification team, which means that you're automatically entered to get a shout out in a video. Stay tuned for next Sunday's video, or you can watch tomorrow's vlog. I will have a vlog up, but stay tuned for next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.